Welcome to What's Life. The story I am going to tell you now will inspire you to do something great in life right now. There was once a kingdom where the king was changed every 5 years. After 5 years of any king's reign, they were sent to a jungle where there was no food and hungry animals would eat him up. The last king was also sent by wearing nice clothes by keeping him on a boat to a jungle where there is no food and it is impossible to live. As soon as that former king had been sent away to the jungle, the villagers thought about whom to make their next king. They thought of making a very smart person their king. That smart person denied to be the king, as he already knew that he would be sent to a jungle where there would be no life at all at the end of his reign. Many villagers kept persuading him to be the king, as he was a really smart and cunning person and would run the village really well. In the end, after a lot of persuasion, he agrees to be the king and also to be sent away to the jungle at the end of 5 years. 3 days after he became the king, he asked the villagers to show him the place the villagers would send the king after 5 years. When he visits the jungle with the villagers, he sees a lot of dead bodies of previous kings who had been sent to the jungle, and he sees that the jungle is really dense and has various types of animals as well. The king then makes a plan for his 5 years of reign. When he saw the dense jungle and animals, he thought, I have to change it or else I'm dead. He uses his mind and clears out all the trees in his first year, as well as removing all the animals. In the second year, he made it look even less like a jungle. He conducted agriculture in that area in the third year. In the fourth year, buildings and apartments were built, roads were made, and it became a livable place. In the final year, he made the place even more suitable for people to live. Along with that, he also was saving quite a lot of money by minimizing the expenses as a king, so that he could use it when he goes to the place that he was making. Finally, his reign was over and it was time for him to go away. He was worn new clothes and sat on the boat happily. Every time the kings would go in the past, they would go with tears, but this king had a smile. People asked him why he was happy. Then he said a quote, when we are born, everybody laughs and we cry. But do something in life that you can die with a smile and everyone cries. He had made such a life. In the past, the kings would get so indulged in enjoying the facilities that he had that he would totally forget that he was going to be sent to hell in 5 years. But I even prepared for that place. I had planned for my future when I was the king and I had the time to do it. The king went away happily and with all the savings he had. From this story, we can learn that we only get a limited time to make up our life. If you are at the age of from 18 to 25, then this is the golden age. The power, the excitement, the courage that you have right now won't be there all the time. You have to work hard at this time to make a good future. If you waste this time in enjoyment, then the previous kings are an example of what may happen. We may also have to go to a place where there will be no life through poverty. But if, like the last king, you use your time wisely, then you can have a great future, like the king who created a new kingdom for himself. If you love the story, then share it to all of your friends, as stories can never be forgotten in many years. Even after 10 years, you can always remember the same story. You can follow What's Life on Facebook and Instagram. The links are in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more motivational content.